All right, hey, this is B.
And this is Riah.
And we are the loudest. Damn it, son. Why didn't you? What happened?
You fucking strong, we been rolling all night. If your nigga doing you wrong, bet this blunt gon' make it right. Hit it once and hit it twice, hit it 3 times then you quit. It's like I'm honest when I'm sober, but I'm realer when I'm late. When I'm late, when I'm late, when I'm late, when I'm late.
So, can you see us? What's up, you guys? We're back here with another video. I'm Riah.
This is B.
And we're the loudest buds. So today we're gonna be doing a cooking video.
Hola.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing spaghetti with some ground beef and some sweet Italian sausages. So this will be our first time cooking together, but trust us, we both cook. Really measure it? I just pour water in there and then just throw it on the stove.
I'm trying to be professional. I'm being recorded. Thank you very much.
Listen,
Anyway,
black people don't measure.
All right, you know what? Since you
They go by their eye. Black people don't measure.
You fucking better. I know how to do this.
See? When she gets all hyped, her accent wants to come out. Come on, girl. So, I'm waiting for her to get on the stove so that way you guys can see in full view what we are doing. Of course, we fill the pot out with just some water. That's for the.
If you guys don't know how to
spaghetti
make
noodles.
pasta, you fill it up to the, well, not to the brim, but at least just below the handle buttons that you see on the side.
Right.
You sprinkle
As
just
much
enough.
salt do you think you want in there?
The water gotta taste like salt water, but not too salty, whereas it's like, oh my god, I can't do this. No. You
Right.
understand? And then set this sexy thing to a boil.
And then we
We
just wait
wait.
for that boil, and then we do the meat. So you guys are just gonna come down and check us out at the bottom. She wants to slam thing.
I'm sorry.
When I'm late, when I'm late, when I'm late, when I'm late, when I'm late.
We're gonna be doing the ground beef and chopped meat together. What are you doing?
I'm just popping it open. I'm not gonna put it in there. Ew.
It looks so nasty.
It's uncircumcised.
Yo, you're an idiot. I'm just gonna
I'm not gonna say anything more to that.
squeeze it on out.
Wow, these are sharp. I like these scissors.
Can you turn that on? Because I touched the meat.
Ew.
Alright, so I'm not gonna lie that I did get this from watching, doing the chop meat, the sausages this way, taking it out of the film it was in.
Mhm.
I got it from watching another YouTuber that I like.
I've never
It's
seen that before. I think you just peeled
I
off
have
cancer.
So much respect for Queen Naja. I watched the video. I think she did it with a cooking video with Perfect Laughs, and I watched her do this, and I'm like, that works. Oh boy, does that work?
This looks so rogue.
Bro.
So I want.
When I'm late, 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 when
So we're gonna cook this until it gets brown. Want to make sure it's good cooked. You don't want no undercooked meat or overcooked meat. It will release a type of chemical that will make you sick.
Thank you, and please learn from this.
Word.
We do not own copyright to any of the rules or regulations.
Because
nor the music
nowadays,
we hear.
a lot of people don't really know how to cook. Like, not saying you guys don't know how to cook. It's just, see, when you're born, I feel like a lot of generations, like,
they don't have the patience for this. To be
no,
honest
like
with
this new generation, they didn't grow up cooking like we did. I started cooking probably at the age of 9. By like 12, I was making dinner. Alright?
You were making 12 at dinner?
Making 12 at dinner.
I mean, you were making dinner at 12?
Yes. Maybe younger than that.
Oh, I was about to say, like, you lucky. You had the luxury to wait till 12? Shoot.
I'm saying I was cooking completely by myself. Like frying chicken and stuff like that by myself.
Shoot. We had designated
My mom
nights.
started early and made sure, like, I knew how to cook.
Well, you know.
Them single mothers.
Yeah, that's
raise
the
you
thing.
right.
Exactly. Them single mothers. Shout out, bros. Don't be afraid. It's all good. You want to?
No.
It's not really good.
When I'm late, 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 when when I'm late, 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 when I'm late. When I'm late. When I'm late.
So now we're gonna put the seasonings in it. You might need to drain it. Don't always have to, but it's best to drain it.
Do you want to do that now?
Huh? No, wait.
I'd rather the flavor soak in first and then drain it.
Yeah,
So,
because this is not cooked just yet.
here's how this is gonna work. We're gonna put some salt in that hoe. Make it taste a little.
Some Larry's. This is soda seasoning. This is that good seasoning salt. Larry's is expensive, but it's the best one to use.
Not really. You find it on sale in New York.
Not all the time. That's why we buy the big one.
Yeah, the big ones be on sale for $1 every time I see it.
We don't measure. And next is some onion powder. Onion.
By the way, next will be the sazon. I'm just letting y'all know.
Yes. I put a lot of seasoning in mine.
Wow.
And she put some sazon. Sazon, got some pepper. Some black pepper. Don't be like my black pepper that comes out like it's crazy. And some onion. Garlic powder.
This hasn't been opened yet.
And she wants to throw some poultry seasoning in it. And it's not open yet.
Haitian reasons.
Oh, my back is hurt.
The caucus Maggie. You'll get likes for that, I promise you. The caucus Maggie.
Don't try to season like me. I do my measurements by eye.
Alright, that's it.
My stuff come out with a lot of seasoning.
Ooh, I'm so sorry. I'm so
She trying to
sorry.
hit me with some meat.
No, it's not even like that.
What you trying to say? Need some more meat in my life?
You know what? Next time, I'm going to bring you a capital D. A balloon. Just says capital D. You'll know why. Yes. Get in there. Turn all of them babies red. All of them. All of them must be colored. Colored, I tell you. Colored. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Water still hasn't boiled yet, by the way, people.
Should have put a top on it. It's such a mess and it's killing me. Them sausages don't want to chop up.
Yeah.
Should have broke it up better. It just needs to cook some more.
Which it will.
We could just put it back down and just plug it up for now, because we're done with the seasoning.
When I'm late, 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 when when I'm late, 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 when I'm late.
So, while she is stirring up a storm and making this house smell like soul food, just crack this doors open. We about to crack this.
Don't be burning your hand now.
Why?
Because the
How?
top gets hot.
Does it?
Yes. Where the hell is the oven mitt?
Just use a towel.
Ain't none of them in there. I'm just saying. Ain't none of the oven mitts in there.
Okay, safety first, y'all. All
See
right.
how wonderful that is boiling?
So, I'm going to set this down real quick because I'm going to need both hands to handle this box and make sure everybody is good to go.
When I'm late, 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 when when I'm late, 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 when I'm when I'm late, 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 when I'm late.
Spaghetti. Oh yeah, I'll pour the spaghetti.
You know, just don't burn yourself.
Oh no.
So we're gonna go over here to the sink, and we're gonna dump. This shit don't want to stay still, but let's just pull it back some. Thank you. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hello. Cameras ain't all that heavy, but I know that pan is though.
Holding it like this doesn't help either.
Helps me, I understand.
Look at all that oil that comes out of it.
You see, people? See what happens when you don't drain your meat? This is all the stuff you're freaking ingesting. See how much oil is pouring out of there? Look how much I shake it.
And I'm just trying to get
And it's just like more
much
pouring
oil
out
as I can.
Look at that. This is, ugh. This is what causes your high cholesterol, you senior citizens.
Oh, damn.
It's the truth, though. This is what the chefs refuse to freaking drain out their meat. All this grease. Pure laziness. This is what pure laziness gets you. All this grease in your system. Alright, trying to transfer this back to the pan. So that way it can get some sauce, right? Wait. Stay there. Don't let the thing grease there. Leak on your floor. Hold on. Come.
I'm just letting it drain out some more. Just make sure
okay.
you do this to make sure you get all the oil out.
Uh-oh. Chef style. She about to make it flip. Hold up.
I can if I wanted to, but this is a little heavy.
Awesome. Uh-oh. Let me find out. Italian.
Look at the oil still coming up.
Well, it's gonna need a little bit so it not stick to the pan. Alright, y'all. Time for the sauce to get in here. The sauce to get in here. The sauce to get in here. Let's begin.
When I'm late, 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 when I'm late.
It actually hurt my hand. There you go.
Hola.
When I'm late, 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 when I'm late.
So we're about to add the seasonings to the sauce to to the sauce. We need to put some sugar. Some sugar. If I can open it. You don't need a lot of sugar. It's just to get rid of the acid that's in the sauce. You'll give yourself some heartburn. Heartburn. It's literally like all you need. Tablespoon of sugar. And then you need to throw in some nicely. Too bad it's not that good greens.
You don't want these
oregano.
greens.
Oregano.
Right. You want these greens for eatings, though. I tell you that.
Throw some oregano in that dish. And then you just gotta mix it on up. And you're literally just letting the sauce warm up. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
This looks awesome.
How's that? The pasta coming over there. Yeah, one job and you're not ready. One job.
She talking like she ready.
My sauce is done. What you mean?
It needs to cook. Let it cook. Pasta takes time. Al dente my ass. It needs to take
Al
time.
dente.
Right, you know.
So now these noodles are done. Bee's gonna find her way to get from the stove to the sink. This is gonna be fun. Watch that steam rise on up. Rise on up. Wait a second. You see all that steam coming out? Ooh. Ooh la la. She's trying to concentrate. Look at her face. Look at that concentration.
She's terrible, y'all. She's truly terrible.
But she loves me. She loves me. She loves me.
Help! I almost burnt myself.
That's what you doing? You gotta rinse the noodles off too.
Hold up. First off, it has to come back in the pot. Cause I damn near burnt myself trying to get it back in there. You rinsed them off?
Yeah, because it has that film on it and it gets all sticky. Like you just rinse the pot out because we gotta put it back in the pot.
Right. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, you rinse the spaghetti itself?
Just let some water go into that pot and just swish it around. We from two different islands. That's why. We cook differently.
Literally. This is not what we would do.
What are you doing? Why don't you?
I'm getting the freaking water out, at least.
You gotta rinse the noodles off. Child.
Lord have mercy. That looks so weird.
It's that film that's on it.
It's on there.
It's the mac and cheese you don't have to rinse. But these pastas you have to rinse.
That explains so much.
That
explains so much.
Why you think? You ever notice why it's sticky and then when it sits there, like it gets all stuck together and stuff?
Right.
There's a film that gets on it. You could have just brought the pot back and could have just sat it in the pot.
Hold up. Get all of that water out first.
Can't take this.
Watery sauce is terrible. Please remember that, y'all. Watery sauce is very terrible.
Don't be like me and run the water when you live in a house. Alright? Because we gotta pay for everything. I'll bring that pot back.
Ready to go.
And that's it.
Here
Now
you go.
taste it.
That's it.
Put it back on the stove. Good.
Excellent.
So now we're gonna taste it and see how it came out. So let's see if we got it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
First we'll put him on his handkerchief.
No, he's good. He goes out like 3 times a day. You don't want much food.
Nope, that's all I want. In time for the creme de la creme. One for you.
One for you.
Just sauce.
Give me some more sauce. Thank you. So you
Alright.
want to do this at the table?
Trust me, I'm waiting.
So now we're gonna try it and see how it came out. You might need to break your neck a little.
I am.
So let's see.
I think it'll be alright.
She couldn't wait.
This is actually pretty good.
And noodles are perfect.
You think we're well for that one?
Oh boy.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually pretty good.
I am betraying the meat factor right now. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
No cheese needed.
Listen, we're gonna finish this, but I hope you guys enjoyed that little video.
Mm-hmm.
She's gonna obviously keep on eating. It's actually pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm Riah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Don't know what that is, but I hope you guys enjoy this.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope it was fun for you guys. As much as it's fun for us was. Was a lot of fun.